Hi everyone. I hope that wherever you are well and safe. So today I wanted to show you how you can share a video using the custom newsletter function under Remarketer to send some informative content to your clients. So it's particularly important these days for you to stay in constant touch with your clients, and you could definitely find a lot of content. We will try to share some with you as well. So basically the video that I will be sharing with you today, I'll include the link to the video below, but you can find a lot of information like this online, which would be useful for your clients. So this one is basically showing how you can make a DIY face mask at home with several different items that you can find right there in your home. This is definitely something that's of an important shortage these days, and it's something that worries people. So yeah, you can easily share something like this to kind of ease their mind, give them some tips and hopes and information that can really help them during these hard days, basically. All right, so I'll show you how to do this. So all you need to do is you need to go to newsletters and then select the custom newsletter option right there. All right, so then we're going to put a newsletter title. So how to make a face mask, mask at home, something like that. And then you can also put in the newsletter description. So I know that finding a mask can be hard these days, but you can make one right at home, blah blah blah. So give them a little bit of a description of what you want to do, and then all you need to do is you need to click on this video icon, and you need the YouTube video link. So just remember, you need the entire link. Let me show you. So I'll go ahead and select copy this entire link and paste it here. So you see I've got the whole thing. https://www.youtube.com all the way to the end of the video ID. And I'll click add, and there it is. I have the video added to my section. If you need to add any other content, if you want to add any news articles, anything else, you can also do that as well. But this is it. If you just want to send that video, it's ready. Click on generate and save. So now the newsletter is available. You can go ahead and email it to your contacts. I hope this is going to help you do a little bit more. Reach out to us if you have any questions. Our email address is service@remarketer.ca, and our phone number is 416-871-8772. We're fully operational, and we're here to help you with any support that you will need. Have a good day.